stand together, ye Protestant boys, not for the laughter, nor ale, nor good cheer, not for the fleeting of festival joys. No, it is the cause of king, of freedom and laws, that calls loyal hearts now to unite. In orange and blue, ever faithful and true, we stand for the crown and the right. Hear the drums roll on, hear the drums roll on, hear the voices rise, hear the voices rise. Through the years, through the storm, we stand side by side. In orange and blue, ever faithful and true, let the sound of our voices be strong. Through shadow and flame, we remember the name, and we carry it on in song. Great Spirit of William, look down from above and kindle again our forefathers' fire. Teach us their courage, their honor, their love. Guide us to stand and never retire. Through trial and flame, we hold fast to the name of those who defended the throne. In orange and blue, ever faithful and true, their courage and faith we have known.